Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of quality on Messenger app. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of quality on Messenger app, you should just go to settings. In the first page, you can click on apps and you can search about Messenger. We click on apps in the first. Then you can search about Messenger app. You can click here. After that, you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that, you'll enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.